When contemplating a kitchen upgrade, homeowners often find themselves asking, is it cheaper to reface or replace kitchen cabinets, Kitchener-Waterloo? It's a crucial question that can significantly impact both the budget and the outcome of your renovation project. Kitchen cabinets, Kitchener-Waterloo are more than just storage. They define the style and functionality of your space. Given the dynamic real estate market and increasing home values in the region, making cost-effective yet impactful choices is more important than ever. In this article, we'll delve into the pros and cons of refacing versus replacing your kitchen cabinets, helping you make an informed decision that suits your needs and budget. We'll explore the cost implications of both options, considering local market trends and availability of materials. Additionally, we'll discuss how each choice might affect the overall aesthetics and resale value of your home. Whether you're looking to modernize your space or simply freshen it up for a more contemporary feel, understanding the benefits and drawbacks of refacing versus replacing is essential. Stay tuned as we guide you through these options so you can embark on your kitchen renovation journey with confidence and clarity. Understanding the costs. Refacing versus replacing kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. When it comes to updating your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners often grapple with the decision between refacing and replacing. The costs can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the size of your kitchen, the materials you choose, and the complexity of the project. Refacing usually involves replacing the cabinet doors and veneers while keeping the existing cabinet framework intact. This option is generally more affordable, with costs ranging from $4,000 to $9,000 for an average-sized kitchen. In contrast, replacing kitchen cabinets entirely can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000 or more, depending on the quality of materials and design choices. Refacing is typically quicker and less disruptive, making it an attractive option for those on a budget or those who wish to retain the existing layout of their kitchen. It's also an eco-friendly choice, as it reduces waste by reusing the cabinet boxes. On the other hand, replacing your kitchen cabinets offers the opportunity to completely revamp the layout and functionality of your kitchen space. This can be a worthwhile investment if your cabinets are in poor condition or if you want a significant change in your kitchen's style or configuration. Budget-friendly cabinet refacing options for Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners. For homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo looking to update their kitchen without breaking the bank, cabinet refacing offers a cost-effective solution. Unlike a full cabinet replacement, which can be both time-consuming and expensive, refacing involves updating the exterior of your existing cabinets. This process can give your kitchen a fresh look at a fraction of the cost. By keeping the existing cabinet structure, you can save significantly on materials and labor, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious renovations. One major advantage of cabinet refacing is the reduced disruption to your daily life. Since the process is quicker and less invasive than a full replacement, you can enjoy a newly refreshed kitchen in less time. Additionally, refacing allows you to choose from a variety of finishes and styles, offering flexibility to match your aesthetic preferences. At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, we offer a range of refacing materials, from laminate to real wood veneers, ensuring that homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo can find the perfect match for their kitchen design. Comparing material and labor costs for cabinet replacement in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering replacing kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's essential to understand both material and labor costs involved. Generally, cabinet replacement tends to be more expensive than refacing due to the cost of new materials and the labor required for installation. The cost of new cabinets varies widely, influenced by factors such as material type, construction quality, and design complexity. For instance, opting for solid wood cabinets will significantly increase your budget compared to choosing laminate or MDF options. Additionally, custom-designed cabinets add a premium as they require specialized craftsmanship and potentially more time for installation. Labor costs in Kitchener-Waterloo also play a significant role in the total expense of a kitchen cabinet replacement. Hiring a professional contractor to ensure a quality installation is crucial. as poorly installed cabinets can lead to functionality issues and even structural damage over time. In the Kitchener and Waterloo area, labor rates can vary, but you can generally expect to pay between $60 to $100 per hour for experienced cabinet installers. This cost includes the removal of old cabinets, installation of new ones, and any necessary adjustments to accommodate appliances or plumbing. How to choose between refacing and replacing cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. When deciding whether to reface or replace your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, there are several factors to consider that can help you make the best decision for your home and budget. Refacing is typically the more cost-effective option, as it involves updating the appearance of your cabinets by replacing doors and drawer fronts while keeping the existing cabinet boxes intact. This can be ideal if your cabinet structure is still in good condition and you're looking to update the style without the expense of a full replacement. On the other hand, replacing your cabinets might be necessary if your current cabinets have structural issues such as warping or water damage, or if you're planning a complete kitchen layout change. While this option is more expensive, it allows for greater customization and can significantly enhance the functionality and aesthetic of your kitchen. In the Kitchener-Waterloo region, where property values are steadily rising, investing in new cabinets can also add to your home's resale value. Top local services for kitchen cabinet refacing and replacement in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners often weigh the options between refacing and replacing. Both choices have their merits, but the decision largely hinges on budget, time, and the desired outcome. Fortunately, Kitchener-Waterloo is home to a variety of skilled professionals who specialize in both refacing and replacing kitchen cabinets, ensuring that you can achieve the look you desire without breaking the bank. Refacing is a cost-effective way to give your kitchen a fresh look. It involves replacing the cabinet doors and drawer fronts while keeping the existing cabinet framework intact. This process can be significantly cheaper and quicker than a full replacement. Local companies such as KW Countertop and Cabinetry offer excellent refacing services, providing a range of styles and finishes to suit any kitchen decor. On the other hand, if your cabinets are outdated or damaged beyond repair, replacement might be the better option. Full replacement allows for a complete overhaul of your kitchen space, enabling you to change the layout and improve functionality. Companies like Shervin Kitchen and Bath specialize in custom cabinetry, offering bespoke solutions that can transform your kitchen into a dream space. Frequently asked questions. Q. What are the main cost differences between refacing and replacing kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo? Refacing kitchen cabinets generally costs less than replacing them entirely. Refacing involves updating the exterior surfaces of your existing cabinets, which can be 30 to 50% cheaper. Replacing cabinets involves completely removing the old units and installing new ones, which includes additional labor costs and potentially higher material costs, especially if custom cabinetry is chosen. How long does the process of refacing or replacing kitchen cabinets typically take? Refacing kitchen cabinets can usually be completed in just a few days, as it involves updating the cabinet doors and hardware without altering the overall layout. On the other hand, replacing kitchen cabinets can take several weeks, depending on the complexity of the design and any additional work, such as plumbing or electrical adjustments. It's essential to consider timelines when planning your renovation project. Q. Are there any environmental benefits to refacing rather than replacing kitchen cabinets? A. Yes, refacing cabinets is more environmentally friendly compared to replacing them. Refacing reduces waste by reusing the existing cabinet structure and only updating the doors and hardware. This approach minimizes the demand for new materials and reduces the amount of debris sent to landfills. If sustainability is a priority for your renovation, refacing is a great option to consider. Deciding whether to reface or replace your kitchen cabinets depends on your budget and design goals. At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo, we make the decision easier for you. Our experienced team is ready to help you achieve the kitchen of your dreams while maximizing your budget. Visit our website at kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca or call us at 226-894-0234 to book a free estimate or get a quote today. Explore our Google profile and learn more about Kitchen Cabinets Kitchener now.